Hello, my name is Sean. I'm one of the range masters here at the gun store. Here with me today is Tommy gun M1A1. Very popular with the gangster era there in the 1920s and also used in World War II by our U.S. military. So again, my name is Sean. Please come on in and try one.